What are ghost forests in ecological succession? Imagine walking through a forest where the trees stand like silent ghosts, their branches bare and trunks blackened. These eerie landscapes are known as ghost forests. They appear in coastal areas where forests once thrived but have suddenly died off. The reason behind this haunting sight is often linked to rising sea levels and increased flooding. When salt water from the ocean pushes into freshwater forest ecosystems, it causes a major change in the environment. Trees that cannot tolerate salt water start to weaken and eventually die. Their leaves turn yellow and fall off, their bark decays, and the trunks remain just standing for years, giving the area a ghostly look. In terms of ecological succession, ghost forests are a sign of a shift caused by environmental disturbance. This disturbance is mainly saltwater intrusion, which transforms a forest into a salt marsh. It is a type of secondary succession because the soil and organic material are still there, but the dominant plant community changes. As the salt water moves in, it makes the soil salty and inhospitable for freshwater trees. Over time, salt-tolerant plants like marsh grasses and shrubs begin to grow, replacing the dead trees. This process shows how ecosystems can change when conditions shift suddenly or gradually. Understanding this transition helps us see how ecosystems are not fixed but respond to environmental changes. Ghost forests highlight the impact of climate change, especially sea level rise. They show how coastal ecosystems can move from one type of community to another, affecting wildlife habitats and how carbon is stored in these areas. The standing dead trees act as a reminder of the ongoing changes happening in our environment. Scientists and land managers study ghost forests to predict future changes in coastal regions. They use this knowledge to develop plans for conserving biodiversity and protecting vital carbon sinks. These forests tell a story of transformation driven by climate change, illustrating how ecosystems are constantly evolving in response to the world around them.